Welcome to Amaris Creation. Head, this is your head. It's where you wear your favorite hat and think big thoughts. Hair, look at your hair. It keeps your head warm and comes in so many colors and styles. Face, your face shows how you're feeling. Are you smiling today? Eyes, your eyes help you see the world around you. What color are your eyes? Ears, with your ears, you can listen to music, hear birds chirping, and so much more. Nose, your nose helps you smell yummy food and pretty flowers. What's your favorite smell? Mouth, your mouth is for talking, eating, and laughing. Can you show me a big smile? Teeth, your teeth help you chew your food. Remember to brush them every day. Tongue, your tongue helps you taste delicious treats. What's your favorite flavor? Neck, your neck holds your head up high. It helps you look up, down, and all around. Shoulders, these are your shoulders. You can shrug them or carry a backpack on them. Arms, your arms are strong and help you reach for the stars. Elbows, your elbows let your arms bend so you can give yourself a big hug. Hands, with your hands, you can clap, wave, and hold on to things you love. Fingers, your fingers help you pick up tiny things and count to 10. How many fingers do you have? Chest, your chest keeps your heart safe inside, beating nice and strong. Stomach, your stomach is where all your yummy food goes to give you energy. Back, your back helps you stand up straight and tall. Can you touch your back? Waist, your waist is in the middle of your body. It helps you twist and turn. Legs, your legs help you run, jump, and play all day long. Knees, your knees let you bend your legs. Can you hop on one leg? Feet, your feet help you stand and walk. Can you stomp your feet? Wrists, your wrists let your hands move in all directions. Can you wave hello? Chin, your chin is right below your mouth. Give your chin a gentle tap. Cheeks, your cheeks get rosy when you smile. Can you puff them out like a balloon? Eyebrows, your eyebrows can move up and down to show surprise or curiosity. Can you raise your eyebrows? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.